Here I am making split pea soup, and I just put them on. I rinsed them. I took the split peas. I took about 3 cups of split peas and rinsed them real good. You always want to rinse them. I took an onion and chopped it up and put it in here. And I put about 10 cups of water. You might need more water. I put 2 bay leaves to start cooking them with the split pea. There's one right there. See that? Right there. And as usual, I have my wooden spoon sitting here, so hopefully it doesn't boil over. Just keep stirring it and watching it so that it doesn't run out of water and stick to the bottom. And I will be adding carrots. You can dice them, slice them, however you want to put in. And I will probably add some potatoes too. You don't have to. Some people don't, some people do. Just what you like. So there is 3 cups of the split peas to about 9 cups of water and 8 onion, and we're just going to let this cook down, and we'll get ready to add the carrots. And the carrots first, and then I let those cook a little bit because they're going to take a little bit longer, and then I'll add the potatoes last, and then I'll season it as usual at the end. The split pea is still boiling. I have a cover on it and my spoon in there, and they're just boiling along. I would say they're about half done. They're coming along nice. I am going to, over here, let's put this on. Over here, I have my carrots. I'll wash them. I've cut off the ends. Oops, I got to cut off these ends too. I never peel my carrots. They're fine. Nobody ever. It's fine. You've got all the, most of the nutrients are right underneath the skin, and when you're peeling them, you're peeling off all the nutrients. I haven't peeled them for 20 years, and I don't really notice a difference. So there's my carrots. So that's 8 carrots I'm putting in. You don't have to put in that many. I just like to add a lot of vegetables to our soups and stuff. And I'll wash these, and then I'll just dice them or slice them. I just added, I think, 6 potatoes, and I just chunked them up. They're in chunks. What they're going to do is they're going to cook down, and some of it's going to make your soup thicker. So there's 6 potatoes in there. You can see them all in there. This makes a nice big pot of split pea soup. You can half it if you want, put in half the amount. But if you have a big family, this will have you to some leftovers, or you could even freeze it and take it to work with you frozen, and let it thaw out during the day. So it's still cooking, and then I'm going to add at the end parsley and some salt. You could add a little dill if you wanted to. I think I do have some fresh dill from the garden, fresh dried dill from my garden. So it's still cooking. Just let it cook on medium high. Okay, my potatoes, it's gotten a lot thicker, and the potatoes are almost done. So the soup is almost done. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt to taste, and 2 teaspoons of parsley, and a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of dried dill. You could put fresh dill in there too. That'd be nice. I hope you enjoy them. Bye-bye. I just added my salt, my dill, dried dill, and some parsley. About 2 teaspoons of the parsley, a teaspoon of the pink salt, and about a teaspoon of the dried dill. And it's done and ready. I hope you enjoy it. Great frugal meal. Bye-bye.